behind a lot of clouds, so but it looks to me, yeah, like that was the moon. But I'm on like an iPhone SE. It's really junky camera.
No problem. I'll just assume that that's the rays of the moon and try to make a correction with that. See what I get.
Yeah, that's fine by me. Even if we're off by like whatever, we're getting a rough estimate, like we said.
Oh, and then you in Blender you can keep the coordinates too and just adjust azimuth and elevation. But Torah, what you could do as well is you can take these measurements and you can see that like right now the moon is technically moving north for me. If you look at the heading that I had before, when the elevation was 9 degrees, I was at like 129, and then technically I had to move my phone a little to the left, so now my heading is more east than it was.
Yeah, yep, that's crazy.
So you can kind of track it yourself, in which maybe like once an hour, whether it's the sun or the moon, you like once an hour just take a heading, and then you can see like where it goes over some time.
On mine, I had to look further south.
Did you? Oh, yeah, you posted yours. You're at 124-ish now, and before you were
Like almost at
like 121. Yeah. Interesting. Mine goes towards the north. Yours goes towards the south. That's interesting.
Were you in the same spot?
Yeah. Because I used the bench. I used the table where I'm smoking to stabilize myself. So yeah, I was in the same spot.
Okay. Weird.
Do the blender, Bacon. I know you don't live in a mansion where you have to like use a golf cart to get from room to outside. Come on, man.
Well, 1 second. I'm just trying to correct for his observation. So I got that the moon. I mean, it's a super moon, so it actually has 33 arc minutes, almost 34 arc minutes. I think it's like 24.75 arc minutes. I was 35 arc minutes, and his moon has like 43 pixels of diameter, and the displacement I had to apply to the moon to put in the center was 34. So 34 over 43 is how much of an adjustment using the own side of the moon I have to make. So I'm going to multiply that by 35 or 34.75. So that's like 27 arc minutes. It's 27 arc minutes lower than 18. That gives me, let me see. It's 17.55. That'll be the correction.
Almost a half a degree.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what we kind of thought too. Isn't that what you said, Bacon, from the beginning?
Yeah. Yeah. This app only gives you like 0.1, so it would probably give you 17.5 if you would point right at the moon, or 17.6. I one or the other. Okay, let me just put the correction on the picture.
Are you gonna do that thing where you draw the lines again? Is that what you're doing?
I will, yeah. Just give me a second. Okay, I'll post in the open chat so I don't lose track of it. Oh, that's not it. Okay. Can you post yours, Bio? Oh, you posted already?
Yeah. Put up.
1542. Okay, I'm opening each one in the browser so I have easier access to it.
I would call my azimuth there. I would call it 128.
How was the debate? Sorry. How was the
128.
non-debate?
Although,
I didn't watch it. Well, I watched 60 seconds, but it was just Jim.
Isn't
I
it-
just came back from over there. I watched about 20 minutes of it, and I threw up in my mouth a couple times, so I had to come back.
You guys are missing it. We're triangulating the moon, dude.
Are you? That's cool. No,
We're
for
gonna-
real though about the debate. Basically, Dogs is putting up all kinds of really good points, and Jim is just he won't answer anything. He just keeps repeating Jesuits and religion, and he literally is avoiding every single question.
Did he bring out the Mars candy bar?
Not yet. I don't
Oh,
think.
I think we're gonna do this tomorrow. By the way, if anybody else wants to download Theodolite, if you want to or can buy it for $8, and then we could take lots of measurements, and then Bacon can do all the math for us because he's a fucking nerd.
Dude, we should like make a YouTube stream and tell everyone to like do this, and then we should put like a link to the app on the YouTube stream and like get them to like pay us a little bit for making everyone download the app.
Hey, Theodolite app. I know that you have like thousands of downloads and buys. We got 12 more people to get it, so we want a cut.
Oh yeah, easy.
Everybody,
Split $12 between the two of us, man. We're in there.
everybody better be practicing Kerbal. Competition coming up this weekend.
I'm just gonna do the best Kerbal rocket. I'll manufacture it myself, and then I'll win.
Yeah, you gotta build it ahead of time. You can even set your planets up to already be in the correct orientation. So all you gotta do is launch and hold the throttle.
okay, I'll put it on Blender now.
Thanks, Bacon. You know that you have to do this for a flat Earth map as well, right?
Yeah, sure. No, that's easier than using the globe. It's a bit less, like there's no extra rotation for the latitude. There's just well, maybe it's actually kind of the same thing. Real quick, do you know from the top of your head how much Earth diameters fit between the Earth and the Moon? Just so I make the tubes long enough.
The distance?
Yeah, how many
don't
Earths
know.
fit between Earth?
240K miles, something like that. I can Google it if you want kilometers.
No,
238.
how many Earths? How many Earths fit between the Earth and the Moon?
25
Oh, I thought-
according to them.
25. Okay, I'll make
25.
it. Thanks. I'll make it 30, just to be sure.
I'll Google it.
What's the diameter of Earth? It's
Yeah.
3,000. It's 8,000.
Like 8,000.
Right? Yeah. So 140
Okay.
or 240 divided by 8,000.
Yeah, it's about 30.
30.
It's rough calculation, 29.86. If I do a more precise calculation, it's 30.09.
You could probably squeeze another one in if you like tilt it, like so the equator's up and then north and south are sideways.
Technically, it's 29 and a half because you're. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me think. No, it's about 30.
How many pairs fit from here to the moon?
How big is a pear? Let's see. Diameter of a pear. Oh, it's talking about diamonds. Fuck out of here. A fruit pear. The average diameter is 2 inches. 2 inches to miles. That's a fuck off small number.
Okay, so I'll do mine first.
There's about 7.5 billion pairs between the Earth and the Moon.
Jeez.
My
A lot of
elevation.
pairs.
Okay, that's mine.
We can only see stellarium, Bacon. Fix it.
Oh,
What are you even doing?
fair enough, fair
dude?
enough.
Come on, Bacon.
Fuck,
Sorry.
Bacon.
You're killing me
Sorry.
here, dude. My wife's gonna kill me. Come on.
Okay, I guess you can see Blender now.
Yes. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, so Torah was 17.55. What was the azimuth?
Like, what did we say that was? 124-ish?
127.
No, no.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Wait,
The
how
number is
Mine's
many
there.
each
127.
tip? 120. Yeah, it's 127. That sounds good.
Oh, yeah. 127 sounds good.
That's North Pole. That's North Pole. Yeah. Okay,
You guys
so
stick it on the barber pole that coal miner man was talking about. Just kidding.
and now first your latitude. 27, 25. And then the longitude 80, 23. Oops. Okay. That looks quite off. Okay, let's try Baidu.
I mean, it might also just be a concave Earth too. It doesn't have to be flat. It could be concave. It's like,
That's a fair point.
Okay, let's try Baidu.
I don't know where mine went, but I'm looking at it in my photo gallery.
Your elevation was 13.7,
Right.
and your azimuth was
I'll call
125.
that. Yeah. I feel like it's like 124 point, a big number, but 125 probably is fine.
Okay. Yeah, because it only shows whole numbers, right? So
Yeah.
it might be.
Well, it only shows increments of 10, and then you kind of guess from there.
increments. Oh my.
Okay, so first
I'm
latitude.
not in Africa, bro.
Oh, I did not place your latitude first. Yeah, which is 42.29, and your longitude is 71.57,
Yeah, we're getting diverging.
and that
Fuck
looks
yeah.
This looks like Sputnik.
Bacon, what did you do?
Yeah, I
I had
mean,
no clue.
Zoom in on each those three. I want to see where they're.
Sputnik?
Okay.
Wait, what's going on here, Bacon? Come on.
That's Baidu, that's Torah, that's me. Okay, I'll check your measurements against Solarium. All right,
How far away are you from the beach?
this is
quite
flat
far.
Earth.
Quite far.
No.
Can you do it on a flat Earth now and see what
I
happens?
can do on a flat Earth. Yes,
Is
most
it gonna be
definitely.
similar?
Most definitely not. Let me.
But
Can I just
these don't
check the
intersect,
measurements?
so This doesn't do anything for us.